tutengeneze recreational center. Unajua hapa hivi kwa na boat big man. Unaweza kuja unabeba tu wase mpaka pale chuani.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another beautiful video from Kenya, East Africa. In today's video, I want to take you through into another big project here in Kenya 2026. That is the rehabilitation of Nairobi Dam in Nairobi, the capital city of Kenya, East Africa. Rehabilitation of the historical Nairobi Dam has officially begun after public participation exercise in Nairobi West and High Rise concluded. The move set the stage for restoration works expected to roll out in the coming weeks. The forums, led by Nairobi Governor Sakaja Johnson, ended with resident backing urgent action. Locals were taken through planned interventions aimed at restoring the dam to its original state. Constructed in 1953, Nairobi Dam has long suffered from pollution, neglect, and widespread encroachment. A multi-agency team comprising Nairobi County officials, the Water Resources Authority, WRA, the Nairobi Regeneration Commission, Disaster Response Unit, and the Nairobi City Water and Sewerage Company has begun a groundwork. The first phase involves marking riparian boundaries. Authorities have urged those occupying protected areas to vacate following earlier sensitization. The second phase will focus on assessing the strength of the dam's embankment. Reinforcement measures will then be carried out to prevent any potential disaster. Ladies and gentlemen, in the coming weeks, authorities will intensify enforcement efforts. A large-scale cleanup exercise will also be rolled out as part of a broader plans to tackle flooding and reclaim key environmental assets. This follows at notice issued by the Water Resources Authority urging residents living downstream to vacate. Ongoing heavy rains in Nairobi have pushed water level near capacity, posing a risk to hundreds of households. The warning comes as demolition of structures on riparian lands continues across the city. County teams are also intensifying efforts to unlock drainage system. Meanwhile, construction of new drainage infrastructure, as outlined in the cooperation agreement, is expected to begin soon.